Hello everyone, I am Huajie from Shenzhen BAK Power Battery. Today I would like to share with you BAK Battery's latest products in the field of small power batteries. In this era of Internet of Everything, our lives are becoming smarter. The accelerated leap of smart life has been extended from a single scenario and a single device to the multi-scenario and multi-device synergistic stage, and continues to be extended and enriched. The interconnection and intercommunication of mobile and portable devices are more frequent. The requirements of intelligent terminals for the performance of lithium-ion batteries are increasing. For small power batteries, their shortcomings such as insufficient battery life, insufficient power, and slow charging are also visible in the main application scenarios. In the future, intelligent mobile terminal devices with more computing power and richer functions will be applied more frequently to our daily lives. The lithium-ion battery serves as one of its core components, and its performance determines the form of an intelligent terminal product and the boundary of the usage scenario. The expansion of the usage boundary of the intelligent terminal product is due to the collaborative innovation of links in the industry chain. BAK Battery is also keenly aware of the changes brought about by the market. The small power battery service is transformed from to business to customer. Customized and standardized power solutions can be provided. To continue to promote the upgrading of core capabilities of products. Meanwhile, BAK Battery has extended its research and development of cylindrical lithium-ion batteries for more than 20 years. We have accumulated rich experiences in product research and development and manufacturing, and successfully developed 3 generations of small power batteries. The first generation features the traditional single-tap structure with a maximum charging current of 1C, a maximum discharging current of 3C, and an operating temperature of -20 to 70. The second generation features a double-tap structure with the maximum charging current increased to 2.5C, the maximum discharging current increased to 10C, and the operating temperature increased to -20 to 75. The third generation features a new continuous tap structure with the maximum charging current increased to 5C, the maximum discharging current increased to 25C, and the operating temperature range widened to -40 to 80. Based on our market understanding, BAK Battery's product strategy for small power batteries will rely on high-capacity products 55V, 50AT, and 60E with traditional advantages, and the new generation of high-power products 40D, 45D, and 50D. To realize full scenario coverage empowering smart life, BAK Battery's third-generation small power battery features an original continuous tap design, which presents 6 characteristics. 1. High power. It can achieve high current discharge and has optimized continuous discharge performance. 2. Low internal resistance. Its internal resistance has reduced by 80%, which solves the problem of high internal resistance in the traditional structure of the cylindrical battery. 3. Low temperature rise. The temperature rise has been reduced by 80%, thus reducing generated heat and enhancing safety. For fast charging, the charging time has been shortened by 50%, thus reducing the waiting time of users when charging. 5. Long cycle. The cycle life has increased by 140%, thus extending the battery life cycle and increasing the durability. 6. High capacity. Due to the use of a high nickel and silicon system, the battery life is increased by 130%, extending the usage time with a full charged battery. BAK Battery's continuous tap, high-power 217040D product is specially customized for power tools. It's durable and suitable for dealing with various demanding scenarios. The 40D product has an extremely high charge, discharge rate, and excellent fast charge performance, featuring 100 Ah continuous discharge and 140 Ah post-discharge. The power tool loaded with the 40D cell can operate continuously under high current conditions, with an internal resistance as low as 3 ohm and low generated heat. The energy utilization of the power tool can be improved. It can be fully charged in 12 minutes, resulting in a shorter charging time while increasing efficiency. Under a high current cycling system, with 12 Ah charging current and 60 Ah discharging current, it has 600 cycles of battery life, so that the service life of the power tool is prolonged. Meanwhile, it supports discharge at an ultra-low temperature -40. and can also operate normally in an extreme environment. Compared with the traditional 4.0 Ah power tool battery, BAK Battery's continuous tap 40D product has its internal resistance decreased by 80%. The discharging current increased by 120% and cycle life prolonged by 140%. BAK Battery's continuous tap, high-power 2170-45D product combines high capacity and high power performance to meet various consumer electronics and micro-mobility application scenarios. The 45D product perfectly combines high capacity and high rate performance and maintains high rate and fast charging performance. In the case that the capacity is increased to 4.5 Ah, it achieves 70 Ah continuous discharge, 140 Ah post-discharge, and full charge in 15 minutes, with an internal resistance as low as 3.4 meters ohm, and low generated heat. The energy utilization is increased, and the power performance is greatly improved. Under the high current cycling system, with 8 ampere charging current and 40 ampere discharging current, it has 600 cycles of battery life, so that the service life of the terminal device is prolonged. It supports discharge at an ultra-low temperature -40, and its energy density reaches 245 watt-hours per kilogram. Compared with the traditional 4.5 Ah high-rate type battery, the internal resistance is decreased by 75%. The discharging current is increased by 55%, and the cycle life is prolonged by 140%. BAK Battery's continuous tap, high-power 2170-50D product is targeted at the high-speed electric motorcycles, strengthening the weak performance links of electric motorcycles and accelerating the electrification of traveling with a small vehicle. The 50D product has a higher capacity of 5.0 Ah with 60 Ah continuous discharge and 100 Ah post-discharge, which meets the demand of a high-speed electric motorcycle for long endurance and instantaneous high current acceleration. With an internal resistance as low as 3.6 meters ohm, efficient heat dissipation is realized. It can be charged 80% in 15 minutes, guaranteeing a smooth and worry-free travel experience. Under the high current cycling system, with 10 ampere charging current and 30 ampere discharging current, it has 600 cycles of battery life, so that the service life of the terminal is greatly prolonged. Meanwhile, it supports discharge at an ultra-low temperature -40. The energy density is as high as 265 watt-hour kilogram. Compared with the traditional 5.0 Ah high-capacity battery, its internal resistance is decreased by 75%, the discharging current is increased by 35%, and the cycle life is prolonged by 140%. In the lithium battery industry, the capacity of the 1865 cylindrical battery has reached 3.5 Ah. The 2170 cylindrical battery capacity has reached 5.8 Ah. The research and development of high-capacity batteries has hit its ceiling. BAK Battery has found a new path to develop high-rate battery and has broken new ground with continuous tap cylindrical batteries. In the long run, the mass production of continuous tap products will further accelerate the expansion of the boundaries of smart life scenarios. BAK Battery's cylindrical continuous tap batteries are designed to pursue excellent rate performance and full scenario empowerment. This release of continuous tap batteries will once again enhance the market application and terminal usage experience. In the future, BAK Battery will continue to improve its product competitiveness to cope with the requirements of energy transformation, realize all-round development, and create more infinite possibilities with electric energy.